Here's one of the cheap digital multimeters that they used to give away free at Harbor Freight. It went bad, and one of the reasons that it went bad is because these plugs have little sleeves inside, and here these two lost their sleeves. They were soldered on, but the solder apparently was not done very well, so I'm going to resolder them. Here I have a little clip holding the sleeve. Here's I dab it with some liquid flux. And now I'm going to apply some solder to it. Next, I'm going to drop this inside this tube here. And let me heat this up as I push down. There it goes. That's soldered in. Here's number 2. Apply some flux to that. Apply some solder. Apply a little bit more. I stuck that in there. Solder that. Looks like a pretty good connection. And there it is. It's fixed. Next, stick a battery in here. Okay. Just turn it on. And there it goes. It's working. Thanks for watching.